Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to the North Wales side-by-side video. I'm in North Wales and I want to show you how to turn off the horrible annoying beep when your speed sign recognition camera picks up a 20 miles an hour speed limit, which is all the time in Wales. I'm just coming into a 20 zone now. My camera has now recognised I'm in a 20 zone, and it pops up on the dashboard in the bottom corner. Now if I stay below 20 miles an hour, there's no beeps, bongs or anything. The moment I get to 21 miles an hour, it's going to beep at me. So we're at 16. Let me just go accelerate. Do it again. Accelerate. That annoying beep. I don't want that annoying beep. I want to turn it off. Speed recognition, speed limit is here. So every time I exceed that limit, it not only lights up in bright red, the car beeps at me. So I want to stop that. So I need to go into the settings menu, and I need to come across to RSA and go to notification method. You've got an option of 3 there: above speed limit, overtaking and others. Click on above speed limit. You've got a choice: no notification, only visual, or visual and audio. I'm going to pick only visual. And back right out of the system. As you can see, I'm still in the 20 zone. Let's put the car back into gear and go down the road. Watch the speed. 9, 10, accelerate. See it light up in red, but I got no beep. That was what I wanted to show you how to do. Go back to visual and audio. Back out. Car now thinks I'm in the 60 zone for some reason, even though when we started this it said 20. I don't know why it does that. I really haven't got a clue. But it won't beep at me now again whilst I'm in this whilst it's telling me I'm in a 60 zone, but I'm not. I'm actually in a 20 zone. But you saw in the example there where I've turned the beep off and it only lit up red there. I just wanted to show you where that setting was. Settings, come across RSA, notification method, above speed limit, and you can make your settings there. No notification, only visual and audio. That's where I want it. I only want to see that light up in red. I don't want the annoying bong. So if you live in Wales and that bong is annoying the crap out of you, because I bet it is, this is how you stop it bonging at you. Thank you for watching another tips and tricks video from North Wales Side by Side. Please consider liking the video, please consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.